the 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This front-wheel drive coupe, with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 29 miles per gallon. This Mitsubishi features alloy wheels, moonroof, and rear spoiler. Safety features include dual front airbags, side airbags, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, power windows, and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a clean Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.